Are you looking for the best ductless mini-split air conditioner to keep your home cool and comfortable in 2024? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 contenders, including Senville, Pioneer, Della, MRCOOL, and Cooper and Hunter. We'll compare features, performance, and price to help you choose the perfect unit for your needs. Number 1. Senville LETO Series Mini-Split Air Conditioner. This is a highly rated option available in various sizes, from 9,000 BTUs to 30,000 BTUs, and in both 120-volt and 230-volt models. This unit offers 4-in-1 functionality, meaning it can serve as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Operating at just 34 decibels, it's ideal for quiet environments like bedrooms or nurseries. It comes with a remote control for easy management of settings and includes an installation kit with a communication cable and copper lines. However, it's crucial to note that the manufacturer requires professional installation for the unit's 5-year warranty to remain valid. This ensures the system is set up correctly and runs efficiently. Number 2, 0.09 A-20 Wall Mount Ductless Inverter Plus. This is ideal for small rooms, covering areas between 200 and 400 square feet. ENERGY STAR certified, it helps save money year-round while efficiently cooling down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit and heating up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit features a permanent washable air filter and includes a remote control for convenient operation. Note that an additional remote is required for Wi-Fi capabilities. Operating at just 25 decibels, it's one of the quietest options available. With 4 modes, cooling, heating, dehumidification, and ventilation, it offers versatile climate control. Plus, after installation, Pioneer provides free tech support and a 5-year warranty on replacement parts and the compressor. Number 3. Della Mini-Split Ductless Air Conditioner. It offers great value, cooling spaces up to 1,500 square feet. Its sleek design makes it an attractive addition to any room. Beyond cooling, this unit provides heating, dehumidification, and ventilation modes. Key features include a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, and multiple fan speeds, all easily adjustable via the included remote control. The air conditioner comes with a complete installation kit, including a line set, and operates at 51 decibels, ensuring a relatively quiet environment. Whether for comfort or efficiency, this model is a solid choice for larger spaces. Number 4. MRCOOL DIY Mini-Split Ductless Air Conditioner. The latest version of this ductless mini-split system is tailored for DIY installation, requiring no special tools. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, and features like auto restart after power outages, leakage detection, and sleep mode for automatic temperature adjustments enhance convenience. With 24,000 BTUs of power and an impressive SEER rating of 20.5, it effectively heats and cools while operating quietly. While it comes at a premium price, this system offers excellent performance and advanced features, making it a solid investment for those seeking efficiency and ease of use. Number 5. Cooper and Hunter Single-Zone Ductless Mini-Split Air Conditioner. If you're looking to install a ductless air conditioner in a large room, this model offers 36,000 BTUs, efficiently cooling spaces up to 1,500 square feet. It functions for both heating and cooling, operating effectively in temperatures ranging from 5 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Included is a comprehensive installation kit featuring a 25-foot insulated and pre-flared line set, communication wires, a drainage extension, and a remote control. For added convenience, you can equip the unit with Wi-Fi capabilities by purchasing the brand's USB adapter, sold separately. So, which is the best ductless mini-split air conditioner of 2024? After careful consideration, we've chosen the Senville LETO Series as our top pick. It offers a great balance of features, performance, and value. But remember, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget.